how to transfer the playlist from the another account Spotify. Okay, how to do this? It's so easy. Okay, and go to the do this guide step by step. Okay, go to the your Spotify account. Okay, and go to the your playlist. Okay, you go to the playlist here or here. Okay, and you go to the share and copy link to artist or playlist. Okay, you copy this. Okay, and you go to the to other account and you create playlist. Okay, and here you go to the playlist. Okay, and here you put in here you put with this link. Okay, you create this playlist. Okay, in this other account. Bye bye.